everybody, I'm here for a quick video. I had 2 packages arrive today. Those of you that know this pattern know it's something by Foxy Fix. And this right here is from the Leather Quill Shoppe. So, let's see. Let's start with the Leather Quill Shoppe because it kind of has something a little bit to do with this. All I did was cut open the box. Oh, let me get rid of the invoice. Okay. There was just a nice little note from Mandy saying enjoy. And so here's their little information about Leather Quill. And here's one of their beautiful cards that comes with the order. And there is all of their information. You can pause and read that. Now, the first leather quill that I ever got was this beautiful bumblebee. They called the color bumblebee, and it was a little bit yellower than this when I got it. More kind of like the inside, I think. But it ends up looking like this beautiful Winnie the Pooh color as it ages. And this was something that they used to do. They don't do it anymore, so don't ask. They won't. But everyone knows my love of the passport size. So, ooh. And I do have an unboxing video of this. And this is this reminds me of the color of my bumblebee. Ooh, I'm gonna smell it. And there you can see the Leather Quill Shoppe. And here's what it looks like on my other one. Isn't that beautiful? So I wanted to get one. I think they are phasing out the hand-dyed leathers. There's very few that they have right now, and I love them because they look so rustic. Because you can see it's a thick. It's a firm leather. I think this one's even thicker, my original. Yeah, it's a thick leather. And look how nicely burnished the edges are. Very cool. Oh, and it looks like there might be some sort of a branding there, like an I with an O or like a, I'm not sure what that is. Very cool. But I think they're getting rid of the majority of the leathers like this. And so I wanted to snag one as soon as I could. So there we go. And so you can see this one I've had for 2 years. This one I just got today. So that's one of the unboxings that I was wanting to do. And then the second is in a box from Foxy Fix. I ordered this, let's see, I ordered this in October, and then this one I ordered maybe 4 days after that, so that lets you know the turnaround time for a lot of shops due to the holiday. So, let me see, so there's these things here. What's in here? Ooh. This, and I think that's just my invoice at the bottom. Okay. So let's get the box out of the way. There are lots of those paper worms. So the first thing, surprise, this is just a little gift from us to you, made from beautiful leftover leather pieces. Oh, this is that blueberry. I think it's the blueberry, which I have in a A5. And so now there's a pen sleeve in the blueberry. I think that's what that is, like a pen sleeve. Very nice. And of course, you know, the husband, since he loves blues and purples, kind of, when I wasn't using it, kind of walked in and took that. So I might give that for him to use with it. And of course, they're business cards. And what is this? This is Lush Shimmering Sea. It's a very soft, soft leather. Oop. Got some of those paper things on it. It's very soft. It smells nice too. Oh, there's some dash. No, these are looks like pockets, like the adhesive pockets. And it looks like, there we go. Oh, more of those. I think I'm gonna have to sweep when we're done. So you see what it is. This is a leather that I used to have in lots of different sizes, and I decided that I was silly and sold them. So when I heard this leather was going to possibly be going out of stock, oh, that's right, I did get pockets. When it was going to be going out and they weren't going to be able to get it anymore. This is the Rowena leather. And since you can see it is a single elastic, and there's an extra jump band, but it is a single elastic pocket, and this is in the personal size. So this was my very first personal traveler's notebook. This was my Chic Sparrow in the creme brulee. So you can see there, it's a little bit taller, and just a little bit narrower because it's a single elastic. The Chic Sparrow always are cut very generous for, but I do have a personal insert. They're always cut just a little bit wider. I'm gonna grab something. Here's that A6 that I unboxed the other day. And I have, it's quite large. I have a personal size. It's in the style of a Midori. It is a, let me take that out and keep that with that. It's in the style of the Midori cloth pouches. But I want to see a few things. So this is a Pikidori Design personal month on 2-page calendar. And let's just kind of see. See, that's the, this is the traditional standard personal size, 3.75 by 6.75. And you can see it just fits in there beautifully. And I'm just such a fan. I've always loved the Rowena leather. Except the newer leather has a little bit more waxier of a feel to it. I guess it's kind of like what the Stella is like. Oop, and you can see it marks up very, very, very quickly. But I wanted to see if... Okay, so that fits in there perfectly. But what I wanted to see... Let me see. It's notebook day, so here is my B6 by the person Rowena at Sojourner, not the Rowena leather. I have some B6 slim inserts, and the main thing I was wanting to see is how would this be for a journal? Because I'm not sure I want to keep my journal with me. Ooh, it might work. Let me see. You know, because I'm not sure I want to keep my journal, and I love the B6 slim size. Oh, no, it might not. Because Foxy Fix doesn't have a B6 slim size. They have this, their number 4, which is the personal, and then they have a number 5, which is a B6. They don't have a sort of in-between size. So, interesting. Because right now, I have all of my stuff, and I never know about these little pen loopy things. I understand that they're wonderful for people, but to me, they kind of just get in the way. And I always end up taking them off. But I have everything right now in an A6 Traveler's Notebook. This is a Lady Falcon Traveler. And you know, I've got my monthly calendar and I've got my bullet journal. And I've got a journal insert in here. There's a P.O. box, Peaky Dory. And then I have, you know, a zipper pouch. I sometimes wonder if I shouldn't have gotten it in the, what is it, A6. I guess that's a number 3 size in the Foxyland. But, you know, it is what it is. But look how beautiful that is. I don't know how I'm going to use it because I thought I might be able to fit a B6 Slim insert in there, and it won't. I think it's even, that means that it's too small for a, what's it called? Like a Hobonichi Weeks. So I don't know, we'll see. This might end up going for sale. I don't know, because if I can't fit a B6 Slim in it, I'm not a big fan of the personal size. I mean, it is nice, but since it's a single, also it means it won't hold that much stuff. And I don't think I have another. And so I wonder why the pockets were enclosed. Maybe that was an extra 2, or maybe they send those with single elastics. I don't know. We'll see. Anyways, but let's see what it looks like with the elastics really loose. Oh, I can't get that. Anyway, so I'll mess with that and I'll share on Instagram or someplace else how I'm using, if I'm using this notebook. It's a beautiful notebook and it's a beautiful leather. And so when I heard they were discontinuing it, I think this might have been a size that they still had available. They might not have had enough for the A6. Anyways, I just thought I would share a quick little look at 2 notebooks that I had coming that are very, very different. This, a harder, firmer leather, but you can see it's still quite rollable and pliable. Kind of what Foxy Fix used to be before they started the Wonderlust leathers. And a Foxy Fix in the Rowena leathers. Okay, if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. I will link Foxy Fix, Leather Quill, even Morgan Le Fay's trinkets, and even Chic Sparrow, because I've showed all these, Chic Sparrow, and I'll also link Sojourner. So if you have any questions, leave a comment down below, and I will get back with you as soon as I can. And I think I just bumped the camera. I am oh so sorry. This is probably a janky video. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.